Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing this. I don't know how. Okay, so I'm not gonna try and do that. So I made a blue one. I thought I was recording, and so then I wasn't actually recording. I just noticed that it was like, bro. So it was like it was so funny. So see, you can even tell. You can you can even tell that I did it. So don't say I'm lying. Don't say I'm lying, or then I get you back by doing something. Okay, so today we're gonna be making green, cause green is one of my mom's favorite color, and that was a nail clipper, cause I put this down here, and then you know what happened next. So I'm gonna use this because I'm gonna make a green sculpture for my mom.
Yeah. It's crazy, but I just got makeover.
Okay, let me see those instructions, cause I kind of forgot how to do it already. So choose a bag of super slime color. I'm using green. Be sure to shake old bags well before use. Da, 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 da. Okay. So now I'm gonna shake well. Just shake, 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 shake the bag. Shake your bag, shake your bag. Okay. Hopefully it will stop fizzing over here. I can actually cut it because the last time the fizz kind of got out. See, that's what I'm talking about. It fizzed. Okay, so I'm going to take this out, not make the same mistake that I did, and pour, just keep on pouring. Keep on pouring and pouring and pouring and pouring till you get everything out. And so that you can make some awesome slime art sculptures for family or just for decor. That means decoration for short. There. Okay, so next step. Carefully. It says carefully cut corner out of the bag, of course. So I'm just gonna use this, okay? Oh, I actually did 2 steps in 1 step. Sorry. So use a bag of slime activator, or on this side, slime activator, and cut the corner, which I already did. Place in a plastic cup. Measure out 2 teaspoons. So I'm just gonna do the same thing again. One, two. Okay. Now use stirring utensil. I'm gonna use a fork, okay, guys? Don't blame me. Okay, use your stirring utensil. Mix the liquids into a gooey slime. Once you mix your slime, can add glitter. I was gonna say sparkles, but glitter or gems, or just foam balls. foam balls. Okay. Just keep stirring and stirring, stirring and stirring. Da, 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 da. Just keep stirring and stirring. Okay, I'm gonna put it on mute. By the way, I got this for Christmas Eve with our moms. Okay, that's how I got this. I really don't know where she found this, but I can tell you in the comments. So I'm gonna let my mom decide what I'm gonna put in her slime art sculpture thing. Just wait, we were having technical difficulties. Okay, so what you do while me and my mom talk about it is you can put in the comments what you guess. Okay, bye. Okay, so I know what my mom wants. So I'm gonna reveal what, and please do not be a cheater and be like, ooh, I'm gonna watch what she puts in, and then I'm gonna put it in the comments, and then I win, yay. Please don't do that, because that's just rude. So I'm gonna put some jewels in, and then some golden glitter. Okay, so there we go. Pouring the golden glitter. Pouring some golden glitter. You guessed the golden glitter. Well done. You can tell the future almost like my friend Ella, which her YouTube channel is Red Dragon and Gotcha. Okay, never mind that. Okay, now I'm gonna put some jewels in. One, two, and then a little jewel. Ugh. Little jewels, am I right?
Hello.
Oof! Stop.
Do you have scissors?
Give me. Please ignore my sisters. They are being annoying. I'm gonna mute this while I stir so that you don't hear her voice. Okay, so you're probably wondering what I just poured in. I just found some more, what's it called? Slime activator thing. And so, now, what's it called? Okay, so now I'm just gonna be stirring some more because I found more activator on that bag. I think I just told you that. I didn't remember. Wow, I did not remember. My fault. So that was just a little tutorial, I said it right, of how to make your own slime art sculptures. I don't know where you can find that, but it's STEM education. I just noticed that. It has some of that in. So, remember, you don't have to use what I use. You can always use jewels, the glitter, and styrofoam balls. Please use your styrofoam balls because there's a lot in here. Maybe make a snowy sculpture because it might snow in January. We don't know. Bye, guys.